matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain with the fire of truth flow through me vein. The system try to break me down, but me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud, break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by me side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant on Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Whoa. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu. Jah fire keep the spirit bright. Way up, drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. No rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's sight. Yeah, roar, lion roar, for the children of Zion. Once more, rise, oh lion, rise. Let your fire light up the sky. Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, why? She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Jah light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drum still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit laugh, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Hungry, no food inside. Whoa. But we sing a man like Moja unite. Stand up, hold on fight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit left, it will never decay. Yeah. Oh, now. Oh, now. Yeah. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by my face. Mama pray in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with the heart full of fire. No change for my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. March strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Whoa, like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing to hunger around. Africa my blood, Jamaica my song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Jah light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul life. Africa calling back we to the roots. So rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we are. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Oh, to rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Rise up. harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay. With the sunshine guiding my way, with the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Yeah, yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh, yeah, yeah. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Trench Town, fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound. Under the sunset, in a Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Trench Town sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown. We're kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset of Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Umoja, unity forever. Trench Town people rise together. From Kingston to Accra, call. One love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the heart, roots and love. That's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people, strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. We go again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night, them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No transparent whistle, no fear in a crowd. From Trench Town to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we stronger. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan whistle, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, na, na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, we wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a the struggle me find me peace. In a the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm, cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, nah, nah. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Na, 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 na. Jah light forevermore. Me heart and soul restore.
Much of your life, peace we trod.
Guided by the hand of Jah God. Rise up now, what children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah, shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me heart, when I know, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Jah. Raindrop fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, nor fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain. Like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber of rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine high. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for some something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care. Long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul. You heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul. You heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving out the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, rain falls, love calls, you and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In our this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away, and in your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving out the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, but never know love so kind. Loving out the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I love you so.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. We human flying high above every lie. No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless and never late.
You know you love me.
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me?
Till the stars fall asleep.
Together, love is the melody we keep. Loving out the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving out the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river,
wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I want to hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me. Wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. In your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity are the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tear. Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep trotting on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song?
Hey Baba, we are strong.
Will you fight till Babylon fall?
Oh yes, we answer the call.
Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey, rise up my people.
Oh yeah,
Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. No fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever strong. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari. Rain fall from the window, silence in a room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we live with eyes, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Just to survive, missing hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, beat the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road, we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Shall whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love carry me through the fight. Darkness fade out of sight. Sirens in the street again. Another you brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender. We won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Yeah. Yeah. While the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat, I raise my voice like a soldier's drum. 'Cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. Justice on the front line. walking down this dusty lane. No need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one name. One love, one name.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace.
One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yes. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, no. Oh, no. Na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. They see kings with crown, but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border, but love no know no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, oh brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Change broken spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Star Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound. We chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color, but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race. Love is divine, so me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. Me see the children hungry crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide the way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family, near and far.
Simunye.
Together we rise.
Jah light shining on all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world, people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world, unity. One world, one heartbeat. Rise again. Love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
We feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.
One world, one heartbeat.
We ride.
She tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love we change the life. Me see her tears, me wipe them away. Till our baby will rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, my soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, burn through the night. Love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above. strong against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom and in land. Love go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide we stand through it all. Me heart on fire, me rise above. Forever rebel of love. Ooh, oh, Ubuntu brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry on. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the mire, from trench town to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong. Beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Ooh, wow. Wow, yeah, yeah. Me and you, hand in hand. Love rebuild, broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up. 'Cause Jah pour the blessing in our cup, in our songs.
Early morning, sun arise pan the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustle it in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sun feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause iron heart still a beat. Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when they push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide. Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenchtown to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in a every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on the tree. Speak truth about love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flowing you and me.
Hey, Mama Africa.
We hear you calling, yeah.
Oh, Jah, Jah.
Guide we soul, never let we fall.
Rise up, warriors.
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we it pour. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're our once lion heart still beat. Let the world unite, black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me are walking. No change, no fear, just love we speaking. Yeah, even after the darkest night, oh, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, a child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world don't care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break, friend. From Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh,
Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart, yeah. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul when never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon the lion, yeah. Righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From King Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. Never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole. Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, sunshine over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mama Africa twese, we coming home from Jamaica to Ghana, from Haiti to Congo. Yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns, then they broke us, tore us down. But roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase your master plan. Drums of freedom call our name. Through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain,
No change.
can't stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore,
We are one.
one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy bag. For Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant, Hakuna Ofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper,
Jah is here.
from diaspora, tears we climb, turning sorrow into old.
Freedom.
Mama land, we coming home.
I'm on love.
Away to
Jah guide us here.
we never alone.
Never alone.
Africa, we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain,
No change.
can't stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore,
We are
one forevermore.
Africa, Africa.
Rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein.
Africa, we rise again. One arm, one drum, one chain, one destiny.
Jah bless Africa. Jah bless humanity.
Africa, we rise again. One heart, one drum, one chain, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity.
Rastafari. Ay, 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 ay. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, hey. They teach us life from the day we born. Say keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution, beat up the heart. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. Drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. Me see the leaders talking a big TV, but hungry still